Hello friends, Chris Masto here. I just wanted to show some updates that I've made to my nabu.run site / software. Because why not? It's fun to do these little update videos. So first of all, just starting off, a lot of bug fixes, but let me go ahead and try and organize my thoughts here. What do I want to show you? So let me just boot this up, I guess, first of all, because I think last time I showed this, I didn't have a progress bar. So we'll just switch this on and show how it goes. So now we have this nice yellow progress bar here that goes across and kind of gives you an idea of how much data there is left to load. I also show the file name of what's being loaded. So in this case, the 0.00001.pack for the main menu. And then if you were to go in here and load something like, I don't know, network guide, know it all, then we'll see that it's loading 207. So just a little nice thing. I figured have the information, might as well put it on the screen. And then as you saw, when I turned it on, it booted into the default channel here, which before was the only thing you could do. So now I've added the option that if you want to change what it loads, you can pick something else here. So we got the 3 channels with the packs, and then a bunch of standalone programs here. So you could go straight into Pac-Man, you could go straight into Snake or Tetris, and you just, pick what you want and hit the button. And instead of loading pack, it will load tetris.nabu and go straight into that. So most of the other, I think all of the other Internet Adapter software has had similar features, but now mine does too, so there. Now, of course, right now, this is just a hard-coded list on my server, and eventually I'm going to have more things in here and some way to control what you want in the list, but for now, I just wanted to have a few options in the menu. Let's see, and then finally, this is the big one, is I now support Cloud CPM. So we do the file, let me hit the button here. We do the file operations that you need in order to be able to run CPM. And there it is. Should have the prompt in a moment. Ta-da! So I got a couple things here that I thought were kind of fun while I was at it. So in addition to just loading it up, it also lets you know which files are open. So if I go to my B drive here and hit enter, then what you'll see is that it's now requesting b.disk and shows you where it's reading in the file. And so now it has those 3 files open. And do a dir or whatever. I don't know. I just like seeing that it's doing something. Not a big deal, but was kind of a big deal to get this working. So this is not 100% right now. I've implemented the stuff that's critical in order to be able to get CPM started and to be able to run programs. So you can do MSX ROM Xanac.rom. Didn't make any typos. Then it will go ahead and load that. Back up here. So that all works. I'm going to shut it off now. So that all works, which is kind of cool. Basically have almost feature parity with the other Internet Adapter software out there. So what I was starting to say was I haven't implemented all of the file operations. So if you try to run like the slideshow or some of DJ's other games and things that he made, it tries to make some other calls that currently fail and it'll just lock up. But you can poke around, you can run the standard CPM programs. And of course I will eventually finish this and implement all the rest of the stuff, but it takes time to write code. So that's all. I just wanted to do that update and show off a little bit the new features that I've added to this thing. I didn't really expect this to be anything other than a technology demo, that it's possible to do this, but I've put enough into it now that I guess I'm probably gonna have to keep it. So, yeah, if you got any ideas or whatever, feel free to leave a comment. If you do want to, subscribe to my channel and like and all that bell smashing stuff people talk about, go right ahead. And I have, I'm not a web designer, so this looks like kind of hot garbage now, but I'm going to try to clean it up a little bit too. Yeah, anyway, that's all I have to say. So yeah, new stuff in nabu.run, and the code, I think last time I did this, I hadn't put the code up either. So there's a link here on this to take you straight to the GitHub where you can look at my, I was going to say awful code, but it's really not that awful, I think. Okay, that's all. See you in the next one. Bye.